The Citi ThankYou Premier credit card from Citibank is actually one of the very first credit cards I applied for. It is such a great card, and I personally like it a little bit better than the Chase Sapphire Preferred, which I always recommend as the best travel credit card. I'll link that video right here. Anyway, let me tell you more about the Citi ThankYou Premier credit card, which by the way has one of the biggest sign-up bonuses it ever had right now. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in learning all the tips and tricks of travel hacking and award travel, then please consider subscribing. I'll also share a lot of trip reports and reviews of first and business class flights from around the world, as well as some travel vlogs. You can also download my free 10-step travel hacking guide in the description below. Okay, so the ThankYou Premier credit card. First off, this card is currently offering a 60,000 points sign-up bonus after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. That's at the time of recording of this video. And these points are redeemable for $750 in airfare on any airline anytime with no blackout dates when booked through the ThankYou Travel Center. Or it's worth $600 in gift cards redeemed from the ThankYou Rewards collection. The ThankYou Premier card has some nice bonus spend categories, starting with their travel category, where you'll earn 3 ThankYou points per $1 spent on travel. Their definition of travel is pretty broad and includes gas stations, airfare, hotels, cruises, car rental agencies, travel agencies, railways, public transportation, tolls, taxis, parking, and much more. You'll also earn 2 points per dollar on dining and entertainment. That includes restaurants, cafes, bars, concerts, sports venues, movie theaters, amusement parks, zoos, and much more also. And of course, you'll earn 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. There's no expiration and no limit on the number of points you can earn, and you can redeem your ThankYou points for just about anything like gift cards, merchandise, travel rewards, and tickets to concerts. Plus, you can shop with points on Amazon.com. However, there are much better ways to redeem ThankYou points that will give much higher value. One of which is redeeming for airfare through ThankYou Travel Center, where your points will be worth 25% more than when you use them for gift cards and products. The best way, in my opinion, to use ThankYou points to get the best value is points transfer. Having the Citi ThankYou Premier card allows you to transfer your ThankYou points to participating airline loyalty programs like TrueBlue, Virgin Atlantic Flying Club, and Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer. There is no fee and the minimum transfer is only 1,000 points. Citi credit cards offer purchase protection, so you'll have $0 liability on unauthorized charges, and you're completely protected against unauthorized charges on your account. Finally, the card comes with a $95 annual fee that's waived for the first year, which is very reasonable for the benefits it offers, and it also has 0 foreign transaction fees, so you can freely use it while traveling. That's it for my review of the Citi ThankYou Premier card. Thank you guys for watching, and if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, because every week I'm publishing videos that help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you.